pa. Today, we are gonna make a popsicles with everyone's favorite fruit.
Guess what? It's mangoes.
Yeah. Now we'll take a look into the ingredients to make the mango popsicles.
We'll need 2 mangoes, a half cup of thick coconut milk, and 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let's start by washing our mangoes and dicing them into cubes. Now all the ingredients are ready. We're going to use a blender. So first we're going to start by dumping in our mangoes.
Here we have home fresh coconut milk. You can use canned ones too. If you want home fresh coconut milk, take half cup of shredded coconut and then add water to it and then blend it and strain it.
We're gonna add our cardamom powder and blend it all together.
Let's pour in the blend puree into our molds.
If you guys don't have a popsicle molds, it's okay. You can use a cup and just put the mixture in and just dunk a spoon.
Here we go.
We poured all the puree into all the molds.
Let's put it in the freezer for at least 5 hours.